welcome to come to City Hall today. We're having a traveling art show featuring Fox 45. How you doing? I'm doing wonderful. This is Fox 45, and I told them they can do all the live feeds they want. We're going to share this. It's going to be airing opportunity, but they chose to pack it up. What's up, baby? They chose to pack it up because, see, we're going to talk about truth to power. We're going to play show and tell today. I'm going to show you what Fox didn't want to tell you. That's why they putting their cameras in their truck. Because like I said, this is a freedom of speech. The world is watching Baltimore, and they watching Fox 45 and Sinclair broadcasting. All right? And they watching how they protecting white supremacy. All right? On February the 2nd, 2011, I blew the whistle on Scott Shellenberger. The same way that you going after Marilyn Mosby, I gave you Scott Shellenberger. I put it in a book, Baltimore Rewired. Fox 45 had this information for the longest. Steve Janis had this. You feel me? You had this for the longest. That's Adam May. That's Spring Grove Medical Facility. Consent to be videotaped. WJZ and Dwayne Davis. All right? That's WJZ. Kai Jackson is with Fox 45 now. She don't want to talk about it. Kai Jackson is with Fox 45. Shows Mary Mubala. You see the date? 3/10/2011. See the date? That's Linda Dodge of parole and probation. You feel me? Like I said, we weaving a better Baltimore. We weaving a better Baltimore. That's the 2018 Freedom Fighter Award. Like I said, the world is watching. And they watching Fox pack it up. This is CBS News. 1.5 million people homeless. That's a Jailhouse Diary. That's Rob Fix. When I was locked up, I got a lawyer, Thomas Saunders. That's the gut. You have a wonderful day too. Like I said, this ain't never personal. This is strictly business. You know that. I ain't got no problem with y'all, but y'all ain't gonna be on these streets telling these lies. If I see you, you gotta pack it up. You can't do no live feeds out here if I'm out here. Real shit. If you got a problem with me, holler at me. I ain't hard to find. Lock me up. Charge me with something. Because then we go to court. I get what I want either way it go. You feel me? You between a rock and a hard place. Heads I win, tails you lose. She gone. Ain't nobody up here but me and air. Air and opportunity. And this is the opportunity for the governor's speeches rises to the challenge. That's Melissa Mossberg. She had this. You feel me? Sending off 3 118s as evidence in hearings for the judge. You feel me? Teresa Chambers, Whistleblowers Act, Washington Post. Teresa Chambers, Whistleblowers Act, the Washington Post, ABC2 World News. You feel me? See the dates? 3/14/2011. That's Rob Fix. Like I said, I was making a movie about y'all. Gov.O'Malley needs to return all my videos and legal material. That's Chief Johnson, Department of Justice. You feel me? That's the Department of Justice number. That's Chief Johnson. That's a criminal investigation with the IRS. That's Mike Shue, WJZ, Gigi Barnett, Stein Saunders, and Adam May. That's George Nilsen, the city solicitor. That's Greg Bernstein. And I went to y'all's office. You feel me? I went to y'all's office. And that's the ID number. To testify in front of a federal grand jury to discuss the charges against Governor O'Malley and the corruption in the courts. That's Justin Burt, Christian Schaefer, Roosevelt Lefkowitz, Mark Marion, Richard Scher, ABC2. That's the number right there. That's the Baltimore Sun. All videos and legal material. That's Paul Ballard, the Attorney General's office, 3 West Preston Street. Send all material concerning the case directly to the Department of Justice, Eric Holder. You see that? Attorney Generals. That's Commissioner Batts. Batts had it, Ed Norris had it, Belfield had it, Davis had it, and if you go Commissioner Harris, he got it. That's the ID number. You feel me? That's James Calabrese from the state prosecutor's office. See the date? See the dates? All evidence and material used for case number 1-4. You feel me? All witnesses interviewed and testimony given to Mr. Calabrese to file against Scott Shellenberger. Malice prosecution, retaliatory prosecution. You feel me? That's Kai Jackson, Fox 45. That's Kai Jackson, Fox 45. That's the ID number. The toilet and all material videos given to you on Fox 45. That's Giles from Script. And that's Scott Shellenberger, the attorney, States Attorney's Office. You feel me? All evidence submitted to you and the members of your department exposing corruption in the courts, property taken from Dwayne Davis, a 1999 Chevy Suburban, 13 storyboards, 25 master copies, an 86 Jailhouse Diary. That's the Baltimore Sun, chief editor. Same thing. And that's from Spring Grove Medical Hospital. Because he was my doctor. He was also my client. And that's WJZ. You feel me? So we talk about Baltimore Rewired. That's the Department of Justice. That's WBAL. And that's D'Souza. And Theroux just got D'Souza to support him. You see that? That's D'Souza. That's my truck. And that's the property. See the date? See the councilman? Mayor Pugh? And that's me and Adam May. I was making a movie, Baltimore Arts and Promotion, The Real News. My producer, Rob Fix. Moses parted the Red Sea. Shorty parted some rednecks. I was incarcerated illegally in 2011. Welcome to the shit show. I got a lot of shit to show you. Show and tell.